Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So we'll go through the global market update first. European stocks were higher on Wednesday as global markets focus on the latest US inflation data set to be released later in the day. Traders have their eyes on two key economic reports out of the US this week, with the Consumer Price Index report for August due Wednesday, followed by the Producer Price Index on Thursday. The data comes before a widely anticipated interest rate cut at the Federal Reserve's September 17th-18th meeting that could help assuage concerns over a weakening US economy. Asia Pacific markets traded lower overnight, even as the key Wall Street benchmarks rose ahead of the US consumer inflation report. US stock futures slipped through Tuesday evening as investors awaited the inflation report and assessed the presidential debate between Republican President nominee Donald Trump and Vice President Kamala Harris. So these are about the global market update. Let's look at the Indian market. So today, Indian market, as far as the indices are concerned, Nifty fell by 120.65 points, which is minus 49%. So for tomorrow, we can anticipate the support as 24,700 level, followed by 24,686 level. And as far as the resistance is concerned, 25,000 continues to be the strong resistance, followed by 25,200 level. Looking at the option chain, looking at the option chain, so option chain suggests that 24,500 is a strong support, and there is no intermittent support in between. So if market slips through, there's a possibility we may hit 24,500 level on the downside, and 25,000 is a strong resistance on the upside. So market is ranging between 24,500 to 25,000 for for this week. Looking at the Bank Nifty also fell, though it went up during the day, but finally closed negative of 262.30 points, which is minus 0.51%. So as far as the levels are concerned, the next level of support could be at 50,800 level, followed by 50,600 or 50,400 level. As far as resistance is concerned, 51,400 or 450 could be a strong resistance, followed by 51,600 level. Quickly looking into the option chain data. So today it was an expiry, so currently it is, so probably you can look at the next week expiry to find a better data set to understand how the Bank Nifty can behave next week. So right now the support looks to be at 51,000 itself as far as next week is concerned, and currently it is trading at 51,000. So we can expect Bank Nifty to go up towards 51,300. If this level is breached, probably the next level of resistance would be at 51,500. Mid-cap Nifty fell about 101 points negative, and which is minus 0.17%. Though during today's session, it went up by almost 260 points, but finally it closed negative today. So as far as support is concerned, 58,796 would be a good support, followed by 58,536 or 58,381. So, and it may fill the gap, but as far as resistance is concerned, the 59,440 level could be a good resistance, followed by 59,678. As far as small cap index concerned, small cap also fell by 155 points, which is minus 0.81%. Though it opened gap up but finally closed negative during the end of the session. So for today, for tomorrow, the next level of support could be at 19,137, followed by 19,000 level. 19,000 can act as a strong support. And as far as resistance is concerned, 19,370, followed by 19,400 and 19,500 level. So these are about the indices. Now let us look at the sectoral information. So we are seeing some saturation in diamond jewelry, information technology, and ratings. Some opportunity, though it's quite saturated. Alcohol still have some opportunity left. Retail, fast moving consumer good is still doing good. Healthcare, then agriculture, chemicals. So chemicals has good opportunity, followed by consumer durables, aviation, construction materials, paper, finance, hospitality, media and entertainment, gas and transmission. So media and entertainment and hospitality is quite beaten down, but now we are seeing some green shoots here. So these two sector could be an interesting sector to watch out for. So this is about sectoral update. Deliveries we are not looking at because the data is yet to be updated as market session just ended. So now let's look at the market recommendation from our side. So the call remains on financial services basket and expected return is 10%. Let's review the performance of the existing calls. So large cap is at 5.79% as of today. Auto is at 1.52%. Private bank still negative, minus 4.57%. But it's a good time to invest in private bank because it is creating a good base and it's consolidating now. So there is a good prospect of private bank stocks going up from here on. Tata Group is at 3.66%. Financial services is also at 3.66%. So that's all about today's update. Any questions?